Instant glow with SPF. This hyaluronic acid, shea butter and coconut oil infused moisturizer hydrates the skin while the hint of golden shimmer gives skin an instant glow. The moisturizer protects the skin with SPF 15. How to use: pump out a small amount and massage gently over the face and neck until absorbed. Apply on the décolleté and shoulders for added glow. 100% cruelty-free vegan, proud to be 100% vegan and cruelty-free, worldwide. Because kindness is chic. Free from. All E.L.F products are 100% free from phthalates, parabens, nonylphenol, ethoxylates, triclosan, triclocarban and hydroquinone. Beauty for all. E.L.F Cosmetics provides professional quality products at get real prices, because we believe beauty should be accessible to every eye, lip, and face. Top reviews from the United States. Love this moisturizer. I'm not a person who loves wearing a bunch of makeup. This is the perfect go-to because it is just the right amount of tint and glow in it to put on and leave the house. The scent is fantastic too.